In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp sprints, 5 minutes. First, sign into ClickUp and head to your workspace settings. In the ClickUp section, enable sprints and sprint points for the space where your team works. This unlocks the sprint features you'll use for planning, tracking, and reporting. Next, create your sprint home. Click the plus icon next to your space, choose Sprint folder, and give it a clear, recognizable name. Inside this folder, set your sprint duration in weeks, pick a start date, and choose how you want to measure effort: points, time, or a custom field. Pick the format your team understands best. Points are great for agile teams, while time works well if you're planning by hours. Whatever you choose, keep it consistent across the team. Now add work. You can build a healthy backlog for future planning or add tasks directly into the current sprint. Use the Add Task button for single items or bulk actions to quickly move a group of tasks. Make sure each task is clear, small enough to complete in a sprint, and has an owner in mind. Estimate your work by adding sprint points or time estimates in the sprints column. The goal is to size everything so your team's capacity lines up with the sprint duration. If you use points, consider a simple, repeatable scale so estimates are comparable across tasks. Assign tasks to the right teammates and lock the sprint forecast. Locking preserves your estimates and gives you accurate reporting throughout the sprint, even if items move around. For daily collaboration, use built-in tools like sync-ups for stand-ups, docs for notes and decisions, and chat for quick updates. Keeping everything in one place helps your team stay aligned. As work progresses, move tasks through statuses like to do, in progress, and done in board or list view. Drag and drop updates make it easy to reflect reality and keep reporting accurate. To reduce manual work, open your sprint folder settings and add automations. You can auto-create the next sprint when one ends or automatically update task statuses as conditions are met, keeping momentum without extra clicks. Track progress with dashboard cards. Burn down shows remaining work over time. Cycle time measures how fast tasks move from start to finish. And team velocity helps you forecast future sprints based on completed effort. When the sprint wraps, handle spillover by moving incomplete tasks to the next sprint or archiving what's no longer needed. Carry forward estimates thoughtfully so your reports remain meaningful. And that's how to use ClickUp sprints with confidence.